folks, what's good? Welcome back to the vlog. Last round today at Proride, so we're up here at Eskra, up beside sort of Valley Gully direction. So as always, last round of the season we've got the morning race for the championship, and then in the afternoon, evening, sorry, we have the Super Enduro this year, or Endurocross. I think we're going to watch that one, drink some beers, shout some abuse, and then we'll have the end of the season party afterwards. So it's going to be a good day. I'm going to go and get ready here, get the first race out of the way, and then we'll catch up with you afterwards.
You on my mind a lot, don't need no time watch. I don't know how I got you in my pocket spot. Yeah, that's babe, need you every day. You like my oxygen, make it seem like the barging down. Got my heart no barging in. Floating out, I wait the neighbors up. But you can't break me out. And then we gon' hit the shower. Part 2 in the house. You gon' get the CD, that was hot.
Copy my steel, face the fact that ain't no cap and real. Ain't cap and real. Plastic bars when I copy my steel. Copy my steel, face the fact that ain't no cap and real. Ain't cap and real. Plastic bars when I copy my steel.
Got my heart no. No for the best. Got my heart no. No for the best. But you ain't it. You sound like Archie.
Well, what a race. That was intense, but that was such an enjoyable race. I'm going to thank our Stephen here. He was slagging me before the race, saying, oh, you never score points, but finally, it's been coming all season. 20th, it's only 1 point, but it's in the points, and that's all that matters. Class race. Anyway, gonna get changed up here, go watch the afternoon race, drink a few beers, then go watch the Endurocross. So yeah, catch up with you shortly. Alright, so we're here now. Got the neck race going, got the Moretti's going, third for the track. Couple of classes. Should be good fun.
And our first place man on 118 points was Pierce McGann. Come on, keep it going. 140, 150, 160, 170, right at the door. Gee, look at the model is there for you. 200. Doing the lead time, the wee man here on the left hand.
You're good boy. The other wee man. You're not the wee man.
Hello, Clark. Starting way with Matilda. Clark.
Well, that's us. What a day. Great racing, great drinking, great crack. See you next year.